Dora the Explorer, the birthday dance party. Hola, I'm Dora, and this is Boots. Today we're going to my cousin Daisy's 15th birthday party, her fiesta de quinceañera. That's a special birthday party where she'll become all grown up. Boots and I need your help to deliver Daisy's present, her special crown and shoes, to wear at her party. She can't start the party without them. Will you help us take the crown and shoes to Daisy's fiesta de quinceañera? Great! Map says we have to go past the barn and then through the rainforest to get to Daisy's party. Remember to watch out for that sneaky fox Swiper. He may try to swipe Daisy's present. If you see him, say, "Swiper no swiping." Vámonos! Let's go! There's the barn. Hey, do you see that funny-looking duck? Wait, that's not a duck. It's Swiper the fox. Oh no! Swiper swiped Daisy's present and threw it on that conveyor belt. It's rolling away. We have to get Daisy's present back. If the present is on the conveyor belt with a circle flap, say circle. If the present is on the conveyor belt with a triangle flap, say triangulo. Quick, which conveyor belt is the present on? Circle, C. We got Daisy's present back and we made it past the barn. Thanks for helping. Now we need to go through the rainforest. But look, there's a rain cloud over the rainforest. We can't let Daisy's present get wet. Do you see something in my backpack that could keep us dry in the rainforest? See, el parabas, the umbrella. That can keep us dry. Good thinking. We made it through the rainforest without getting wet. And there's my cousin Diego with baby Jaguar. Diego is Daisy's brother. Hola, primo. Diego is on his way to Daisy's fiesta de quinceañera too. We can go together. Come on. Ding dong, ding dong. The bells are ringing. It's time for Daisy's party. But the party can't start without us because we have Daisy's crown and shoes. We need to hurry. Diego says the giant condor birds can fly us to the party quickly. Look, there's the party. And there's my cousin Daisy. Happy birthday, Daisy. We have your special crown and shoes, so you can start La Fiesta de Quinceañera. But first, Boots and I need to put on our fancy party clothes too. Now it's time for the ceremony to begin. Daisy's mommy is crowning her with the special crown we brought to her. Daisy's papi is helping her into her grown-up shoes. Wow, Daisy really does look all grown up. Now it's time for Daisy and her papi to walk arm in arm down the aisle. Let's clap and cheer for Daisy. Now it's time for dancing. Let's all do the mambo dance. I love to mambo. Do you want to mambo with us? Here's how you do it. First, march in place. Then wiggle your hips. Now wave your hands in the air. You're doing the mambo. Mambo, mambo, we did it. Thanks for helping us get to Daisy's party. We couldn't have done it without you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share. And follow me on Instagram. See you next time.